I'm excited. I'm very excited. Eventually, it comes in everybody's life. That day comes in everybody's life. I'm very happy it is coming now. It is very difficult because wedding is not like a birthday celebration. Ki kar lenge, dekh lenge. It's a lot of responsibility. It's two families getting together. I don't know whom I'm calling, whom I'm not calling. Even though I want to call everybody, but because of COVID, I can't call many people. She's very supportive. She had only asked me for one thing: कि एक piece में वापस आना.
From Bigg Boss to Khatron Ke Khiladi, Rahul Vaidya is now taking the biggest khatra of his life, which is wedding, of course. But before that, Khatron Ke Khiladi, 45 days in Cape Town and daredevil stunts. That is what describes Khatron Ke Khiladi journey, right?
Absolutely.
How was that entire experience for you?
It was very hectic, very tough, very severe. But having said that, I think it was a once in a lifetime experience.
But you were also juggling, I mean, if I have to believe, you were also juggling between doing those stunts, performing, being in that state there, while taking precautions, and also making sure that wedding ke yahan pe preparations bhi ho, baatcheet chal rahi ho, juggling between both the worlds, right? How did you manage?
It is very difficult because wedding is not like a birthday celebration. Ki kar lenge, dekh lenge. It's a lot of responsibility. It's two families getting together, and so that was, it was very hectic. But I'm very glad it is happening now. It's just that a lot of things are pending. My invitations are yet not sent. I don't know whom I'm calling, whom I'm not calling. Even though I want to call everybody, but because of COVID, I can't call many people. So yeah.
But we saw a few glimpses of the preparations that is going on, of course, with the dancing and everything. Ali and Jasmine, of course, would be a part of it. But tell me, are you nervous? Because finally it's happening, Rahul. We have been talking about it for the last 6-7 months now, but it's happening.
I'm excited. I'm very excited. Eventually it comes in everybody's life. That day comes in everybody's life. I'm very happy it is coming now. Very excited.
Right. Now, before I get going, I have this quick quiz that it's called Khatron Ke Khiladi, most likely version, wherein you have to tell me kuch questions hai, and then you can tell me who do you think would do that.
Sure.
Okay. So, who do you think can give up a task midway?
Rahul.
Really?
Yeah.
Like to ace any stunt, to kill it while doing that stunt.
तो कौन ace कर सकता है? Rahul.
मतलब give up भी राहुल करेगा.
But I can give up a stunt midway. I mean, I'll do it, and then if I feel okay, I don't want to do it, I'll just give up. Yeah.
Yeah, Bigg Boss.
Yeah.
Someone
Tell me how many people have done it. Tell me.
True.
है कि नहीं exception है ना फिर.
Someone who can play prank during difficult situations, or just who is excited to play pranks on people.
Arjun. Yeah.
Have sleepless night before a stunt.
Sleepless. Mehak.
Be decked up even on an off day. Someone who likes decking up even on an off day.
Who's very well dressed all the time. Even on off day. I think Nikki. Nikki's very well dressed. Yeah.
मुझे लगा अपना नाम लो गया. Because you are also like.
No, but I don't care about how I look. I don't care. I don't bother much about it. I don't give much importance to it. That's why.
Nice.
Yeah.
To be the dancer of the group.
Who's a dancer? सबसे अच्छे moves. एक हमारे none of the contestants actually. There was a reality person. His name is Rathore. Vijendra Rathore. So Viju, this one is for you.
Okay, who can crack up in difficult situations? Like before a stunt, someone who just laughs and.
Me.
To be the lover boy of the group.
Me.
Again.
हाँ मैं लवर बॉय मैं फोन पे लगा रहता था. जैसे लोग सोचते हैं ये बात क्यों नहीं करता हमसे. But that's why a lot of them had an issue कि यार he is not talking to us. But I am generally a less talkative person. I was in the phone only because now they will know that अरे मैं अपनी शादी की preparation कर रहा था.
Right. And how did Disha react to all of the stunts and everything? You being away also. How
She was very supportive. She had only asked me for one thing कि एक piece में वापस आना. And I was able to do that. I was very happy.
Okay. Who would arrive late on sets?
Arrive late में सबसे ज़्यादा late कौन होता था? कोई नहीं actually. We were all on time. We didn't have a batch who had late problems.
Okay, and lastly, who was Rohit sir's favorite?
Rahul.
Wow. मतलब इससे बड़ा क्या चाहिए, you know? But lastly, I also want to know, because I remember I had asked you this, that Rahul, Rohit sir is someone who is always the guiding force behind, stands behind, just giving you that guidance which is needed, right? How was he supportive in your case?
He was very supportive. He's the only guide and mentor and the voice that you hear while doing the stunts. So having him by your side is the biggest support while doing a stunt.
And before I get going again, sorry, but if I don't ask this, it will be incomplete. Of course, there's a change in equation when it comes to you and Abhinav, which is great to see. I loved seeing the videos and everything. But do we will we see a more of a bond? Like, will you stay in touch with him? Is there?
See, we're all very cordial people, and obviously, I'm sure if I get to meet him at a social function, we would definitely love to exchange pleasantries.
Right now, thank you so much, Rahul, and all the very best for your wedding. Best wishes from me and Bollywood Bubble, and send my regards to Disha as well. Thank
Thank you. Keep bubbling.
Thank you.